In a drought-haunted town, a humble baker named Mara hears a whispered promise of abundance from a worn Bible. She shares a handful of flour with neighbors, and a rainless sky begins to soften as faith grows. A child kneels to pray, and the old lighthouse keeper finds a compass that points toward helping others. When doubt returns, a simple echo of scripture sparks acts of mercy that ripple through the streets. By sundown, the town learns the true miracle is not instant power, but steady faith that feeds and heals.